Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on solid dosage forms, in which today we are going to see powders. After watching this video, the learners will be able to define powders, understand the advantages and disadvantages of powders. Now let us see what are powders. A pharmaceutical powder is a mixture of finely divided drug and or chemicals in dry form. The powders are solid dosage form of medicament which are meant for internal and external use. They are available in crystalline and amorphous form. The particle size of powder plays an important role in physical, chemical, and biological properties of the dosage forms. There is a relationship between particle size of powder and dissolution, absorption, and therapeutic efficacy of drugs. Now let us see the advantages of powders. The first advantage is powders are more stable than liquid dosage form. Next advantage is the chances of incompatibility are less as compared to liquid dosage form. Next advantage is powders are one of the oldest dosage form and are used both internally and externally. Next advantage is it is convenient for the physician to prescribe a specific amount of powdered medicament depending upon the need of the patient. Next advantage is the onset of action of powdered drug is rapid as compared to other solid dosage form. That is, for example, capsules, tablets or pills. Due to smaller particle size of powder, it get dissolved easily in the body fluids. Next advantage of powders is large quantity of powdered drugs can be easily administered to the patient orally by dissolving or mixing the powder in a suitable liquid. Next advantage of powder is powders are more easy to carry than the liquid dosage forms. Next advantage of powders is powders are more economical as compared to other solid dosage form because these are prepared extemporaneously without involving any special machinery and techniques. Next advantage of powders is small children and elderly patients cannot swallow solid dosage forms such as tablets and capsules. They can easily take the powdered drug as such or dispersed in water or any other liquid. So these were the advantages of powders. Now let us see the disadvantages of powders. First disadvantage is drugs which get affected by atmospheric conditions are not suitable for dispensing in powder forms. Next disadvantage is drugs having bitter, nauseous and unpleasant taste cannot be dispensed in powdered form. Next disadvantage of powder is The dispensing of powder is a time consuming. Next disadvantage of powder is deliquescent and hygroscopic drugs cannot be dispensed in powder form. Last disadvantage of powder is quantity less than 100 mg or so cannot be weighed conveniently on dispensing balance. So these are the disadvantages of powders. Thank you for your patience listening. In this video, we have seen definition of powders, advantages of powders and disadvantages of powders. If you like this video, press like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.